ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Something different today. No grass, no weeds, no lawnmowers. Something as important to the backyard as anything else. Don't forget my chimney starter. But yeah, the grill. Gonna do something with it. Gonna restore it. Let's get to work. I always plan to restore the grill. I even bought this rust-oleum. I bought this rust-oleum high heat a long time ago and never did it. So now I'm gonna take the opportunity and get it done. Remember this spray paint? I'm going to use it for the grill. You'll see why. But yeah, I use this spray paint to do my curve for the mulch bed. So now I'm going to use it for the hooks. You see the hooks? These things get lost too much. And now I want to spray them so they'll be easier to find. Outside of the spray paint, I think this is all I need. My 15-in-1 Husky multi-tool masonry brush. Oh, yeah, and the masking tape. Forgot to talk to you about that. As a reminder, I bought a new ash pan for the grill. As you can see, doesn't look new now. I've been using it, but the old one was crumbling, so I decided to replace it. Instead of getting rid of your grills, guys, just get a new ash pan. If you're interested, the link to the ash pan will be in the description. Also, I'll have a link to that ash pan short in this video as well. Okay. I'm going to remove the handles. I already put some tape over the logo. Another reason why I'm doing it this way, I don't need a top tier grill. I don't need to go out and buy a $300 grill. I grill mostly on holidays. Some people, they grill every other day. Not me. This is good enough for me. So far, so good. Had to get the pliers out, too, to remove those screws. Anyway, expect your hands to get really dirty. I decided to paint the screws and the nuts, too. Reason is, if you drop them, you won't find them, especially in black wood mulch. So go ahead and paint them, too. Since I'm out here, I might as well paint the handles. If you're going to do something, do it right. I'll let this side dry, flip it over, do the other side. Meanwhile, I'll also add another layer or two to the nuts, screws, and hooks. Before we get started, I'd just like to take a look at what I'm getting into. This looks terrible. Okay, guys, one last look at the front of the grill. Smoke box. Looks bad. But I had this for several years, and after several years of use, this is where you're going to be. And again, this isn't a top-tier grill, but we can make it look like one. Okay, first, I'll take my multi-tool and get rid of some of this rust back here. This is where I'll start. And again, remember where we're at. My fear was that this can wasn't going to do the job. I've had it sitting for so long, but that doesn't seem to be the case. Seems to be coming out the way that it should, spreading real good. Again, this project should turn out better than expected. Okay, what do you think so far? I like it. I want you to leave your comments in the comment section. Be honest. Back here, completely different. Great improvement. Oh yeah, I like it a lot. Let's keep going. For future reference, buy 2 cans. Buy 2 cans. This one can, it'll work, but if I had another can, I'm telling you, this would turn out even better. Not quite finished, but you see, I'm almost there. Let's walk to the back again. Okay, my only thing is, when you're spraying the rust-oleum, any spray paint for that matter, don't stand too close to whatever you're spraying, or it may create streaks. But other than that, I really like the results, guys. Simply put, if you've seen The Karate Kid, do it Mr. Miyagi style. Side to side, paint the fence, side to side. It'll turn out great. You know what, guys? If I put a second layer down, this thing would be perfect. So again, buy 2 spray bottles worth of this rust-oleum, and your grill will look brand new. I can almost guarantee it. I don't have enough spray to take care of this shelf. It's not needed, but next time I'll get it done for you guys. And here are the results. I ended up spraying this shelf a little more. You saw that spot, I know you did. Now the smoke box can be a little better, but again, I was running out. Look at the handle, the screws. Oh yeah, this grill looks brand new. The hooks back here. Oh yeah. So much better, much improved. You guys got to get that rust-oleum. Well, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns and grills too. Bye.